Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find the recycle bin on your Android phone. All right, let's begin. First, open your app drawer and launch the My Files or Files app. Depending on your Android device, it may be inside a folder or listed with your other apps. Once you're in the Files app, scroll down and tap Trash or Recycle Bin. This is where recently deleted files are stored for a limited time before they're permanently removed. If you're looking for deleted photos or videos, open the Gallery app instead. Tap the menu, then select Trash or Recycle Bin. This section only contains photos and videos deleted from the Gallery app. To restore an item, select the photo or video you want, then tap Restore. It will be returned to its original location in your gallery. Keep in mind that deleted files are only kept in the trash for a limited period. So if you don't see the file you're looking for, it may have already been permanently deleted. So that's basically how you can find the recycle bin on your Android phone. That's it for this video. Thanks.